Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Biking Everyday. Today we're going to be unboxing and giving you my initial thoughts on these Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 wireless noise cancelling earbuds. We'll open them up. These ones happen to be a black color or a graphite gray, but they do come in a variety of other colors. If you are interested in these earbuds, I will have a link below in the description so you can pick them up for yourself or find more information. But let's go ahead and dive right into opening up these Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. So let's go ahead and unbox and give you my initial thoughts on these Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 wireless noise cancelling earbuds. So it says Galaxy Buds 2 on the front, again by Samsung. These happen to be the black color or kind of a graphite gray. Now on the back here, it says clear and rich sound with two-way speakers. It says active noise cancelling. It's got a comfortable fit. So there's 3 different tips that you can put on these depending on the size of your ear. And it says 5 to 20 hours of playback time. So the earbuds themselves will give you up to 5 hours of listening to music. And when you recharge them with the case that's included, you can get up to 20 hours of battery life. Let's go ahead and open these up. It looks like there's some instructions here. That's the quick start guide, device layout, and all about the carrying case, as well as how to put them in your ears wearing the earbuds. So there's our first look at the case right there. We'll get to that in a moment. Let's see what's in this accessory box here. So it looks like those are your different size tips for your ears, depending on how big your ears are. So there's 4 tips there. We'll dump those in there so we don't lose them. Oh, I already lost one. There it is. So there's 2 large ones. Those looks like they'd be the small ones, and there's probably the medium ones on there already. And there's a charging cable here as well. We'll pull that out. So that is a USB on one side and USB-C on the other side. Looks to be maybe 2 feet long, 2.5 feet long, somewhere in that range. As for the earbuds, they come in a nice case like that. So your charging case. It says Samsung on the top there, and they should open just like that. So a white case with black Samsung earbuds inside there. When you're ready to charge them, the USB-C cable would just plug right in on the back like that and right into your USB port for charging. So that's very convenient. And again, this case and the earbuds, when it's fully charged, will give you up to 20 hours of battery life. So up to 5 hours on the buds themselves, and you can keep putting them back in here and recharging them. This is basically a battery pack. Now the case also has wireless charging in it, which is super convenient. Now the earbuds themselves, we'll pull them out there. So that, again, that's what they look like. And the rubberized tips just go on the ends of them there. And there's 3 different sizes. This one looks to say R on it, so that would be for your right ear. And this one I'm sure says L on it for your left ear. And they're nice and small, so they're tiny. Now these have 2-way dynamic speakers in them. They have active noise cancelling and voice detection, which switches the active noise cancelling on automatically. Now these are really light and nice. They weigh 5 grams each, and they also do have touch controls on the outside. I'm going to connect them to my phone and try them out. So they connected right away to my Samsung phone here, and I have the Galaxy Wearable app. It's a free download from your app store. And when you open that up, I'm going to pop these earbuds in my ears here. And they're really feeling quite comfortable for sure. Once I've got them in my ears, you can see I can choose from active noise cancelling or ambient sound. That'll give you a little bit more sound from the outside. I can hear what's going on around me, or I can use active noise cancelling, which makes everything really quiet. You can definitely tell the difference. You can turn off and on the touch controls right here. So if you don't want them on, you can turn that off right there. And that'll give you touch controls for things like playing songs, skipping tracks, and answering calls. You can go into your earbud settings here, and you can use the equalizer, for example, and choose from all sorts of different modes. So normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, treble boost, etc. And there's all sorts of settings you can do in here. You can even do an earbud fit test. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll start that. And it's scanning my ears somehow, and it says a poor fit. So I probably should try a different tip size. So let's do that right now. So I put the larger tips on, and they're even more noise canceling now with the larger tips on in my ears. Let's go ahead and retry this. And it looks like I have a good fit. So these are the size I'm going to stick with. There's all sorts of different options you can play with in here. Again, probably the one you're going to use most is the equalizer there. The other cool thing is you can see your battery life on your earbuds up here, as well as there is a Find My Earbuds option in here as well. So I'll go ahead and put in these Samsung Buds 2 in my ears, and I've tried them on a few times now, and that's what they look like. They don't stick out very much. They don't have a bar that comes down. And I found the active noise canceling to work very well. They're very comfortable in my ears, and those tips definitely cut off a lot of the noise. Now I happen to have a set of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I've had these for just over a year now and I've loved them. And maybe I'll put one of these in to do a comparison here. So as for the feeling in my ear, these have worked really well for me, but the Buds Live, my wife can't wear them. They just don't fit in her ear. But I think these Buds 2 with the smaller ear would fit in her ears quite well. And as for the noise canceling, I do think the Buds 2 have more noise canceling than the Samsung Buds Live. So let's try out some music here. I'll put this one back in. And again, these have the touch controls on them where you can play songs, skip tracks, or even answer calls on there. So I've got a little bit of YouTube playing here on my phone, and the sound that's coming through here is very crisp. It's very full. And again, that active noise canceling works great. I'm really impressed with the sound on these earbuds. So a few final thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. First off, the case is very small, it's sleek, and I don't know if I mentioned this already, but it does have wireless charging capabilities. As for the battery life of the earbuds, you get 5 hours on the earbuds for listening to music, 4.5 hours of talk time, and if you keep charging them in the case, you can get up to 20 hours of battery life, which is awesome. If you're going on a trip, you can just keep charging them in the case. They are very comfortable with the 3 tips there. They fit in my ears very well. And I love the active noise canceling in these earbuds. Great if you're going on a plane or a train or you just need to get away from some noise. So the active noise canceling was really good. So as for customization in the app, the equalizer, unfortunately, you can't adjust it yourself. You do need to pick from one of the preset modes, which is probably good for most people. But if you are looking for an equalizer, you're not going to get that in the app. But it is customizable in the way that you can turn on and off the touch controls, as well as switch between active noise canceling, as well as the ambient sound mode. So there's plenty you can do there in the app, and it did work quite well for controlling your earbuds. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and my initial thoughts of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 wireless earbuds. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.